There would be a piece that was shaped out on that ball.
Okay.
And what
That's pretty cool.
I can't find it right now, but I made a hammer that big round out of a piece of birch, and I concaved the face and just hit it like.
Was the top of the ball open? Like that, or did you weld it shut?
No, it's the way it came.
Okay.
Yeah.
You left it open on the top, just like that.
I just used the side.
Okay, yeah, but I mean, you didn't do anything to the top of the...
Nothing.
Nothing.
Yeah, nothing. And I don't know where that darn hammer is, but...
32 Ford grill shell. Look at that Chrysler Power thing there. Take a look at this shear over here. Walk over to
Oh, I'll get you in through the other door.
So Fred makes sills for people, you know, want to repair their own car, or even, you know, body shops that are repairing sills and that sort of stuff. He's doing that sort of stuff. Cool. See, Fred's opened the door up for us and shows.
Two ways around here. This might be a little safer.
Fred's got the gear. Fred has got the gear. Check this shear out. This is cool. That's nice. I like that.
There's a patent date from 1889, November 29, or October.
That's just cool, man. Well, all measured there. Just the pedal on it. Huh?
Yeah.
You wouldn't want to have your foot underneath that when you come down on her, would you? Nope. You got some machining gear. You was a machinist at one time?
Yeah, for quite a few years.
Billy Gibbons Cadzilla. Huh? Rod like that. Right on, just looking. Can't help myself when I get in a place like this, Fred.
No.
Got to look around, man.
Yeah.
And I'm glad. Well, Tim will probably need some sills. What year's Tim's truck? Yeah, he's going to need some sills. You probably got him Chev. What year's your Chevy truck?
94.
Yeah, right around there. You must make sills for a 94 Chevy.
Making for new ones.
Oh, you making
2016 since more common than those.
Is that right?
Yeah, that's funny about that, but that's the new cycle.
Okay.
Those.
Right on.
Make sure you undercoat.
So we've got a ramp truck coming that's going to pull that bad boy on and that shear. I'll get some money from Jolene because I want one of these bad boys for a. Hey, that's not light.
No, those are off a D8 those or something like that.
That'll make a nice dolly, right?
Yeah.
Making something round.
Yeah.
Pound on the side of that.
Yeah. On the dozers that holds the side arms.
Yeah.
And there's a cap like a bearing cap. Holds it on there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. All kinds of cool stuff.
Yeah. Were you interested in that crib?
Well, I like trying to make a baby with Jolene, but.
Well, I got it out of a barn in Avondale. I was going to use it for a flower bed.
Yeah. It's even got the box spring mattress.
Yeah.
The mattress.
Yeah. Still in good shape.
Look at that now.